If you've made it to this screen, it means something inside of you finally snapped. Maybe you're tired of overthinking everything. Maybe you're sick of starting strong and then falling off. Maybe you've realized you've been outsourcing your life, waiting for permission, waiting for energy, waiting for clarity. This isn't a program. This isn't a course. This is a system of becoming. Look, over the next 42 days, we're going to rebuild your mindset from the ground up, from your routines, your confidence, and your inner code. You're going to learn how to lead yourself again, not just in your body, but in your mind, your emotions, and your decisions. This space was designed for you to remember who the fuck you are and become the version of yourself that no longer folds under pressure. But this will only work if you do. So breathe, lock in. Don't rush through this. Go all in. After this video, I want you to scroll down and click Start Here. That's where it all begins. Let's rebuild.